In today's video, I will walk you through how to run payroll reports in QuickBooks Online. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. First, locate the navigation panel on the left side of your screen and click Reports. This opens the Reports section, where you'll find the different types of reports available in QuickBooks. Once you've selected Reports, look for the Standard Reports tab and select it. This opens the detailed list of available reports. Next, scroll all the way to the bottom of the report menu. Continue scrolling until you reach the section dedicated to payroll reports. In the Payroll Reports section, you'll see several types of payroll reports available. Review the list and select the specific report you want to run. When you click a payroll report, QuickBooks will automatically run the selected report and display the available information. Depending on the report you choose, you can access details such as payroll summaries, payroll liabilities, or payroll taxes. To run another payroll report, return to the Payroll Reports section and select the report you need. You can repeat these steps whenever you need to access another payroll report. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.